interested in what we're doing here on this wreck. I think we're good to go.
Copy that, sir. I am about to press play on our control sound, the humpback whale. In 3, 2... That's definitely calling the home planet. And again, just for clarity. At this point, you might be wondering to yourself, Self, how do sharks actually hear? It's a good question, and the answer is cool because they have two distinct organs for detecting sound. First is their ears. On each side of their head, they have a hole that leads to an ear canal, and inside of that are sensory macula, which detect sound. But in addition, running down the length of their entire bodies is an organ called the lateral line, which can detect vibration. And what can cause vibration underwater? Yes, sound waves.
What that means is that the sharks are definitely hearing the whale song. But reacting to it, they ain't.
Sharks are kind of cruising right by the speaker, and they're not interested in it or afraid of it. Over.
So, will the sharks' behavior change when they're hearing not whales, but their killer cousins?
Jamie, we are commencing to play the orca sounds in 3, 2, 1, and go. You can run, but you cannot hide. That's what they're saying.
First impressions are not good, as the sharks neither run nor hide.
They're just hanging out, looking for action. Just like this guy right here.
But all is not lost.
Just to be clear, orcas apparently have a very sophisticated language with lots of different sounds that they make. Some are communicating with each other, others are hunting. We are playing a greatest hits medley of orca sounds. In case one of them trips up or triggers the sharks, that's what we're looking for.
By playing a mix of sounds, including what scientists think are hunting noises, the guys are increasing the chances of the sharks getting spooked. But after 10 minutes of manic medley...
This so sounds like a later Miles Davis album. I'm not even kidding.
There's no change at all.
I can tell you that we've actually tried quite a few shark repellents over the years, and I have to say that this would have to be the worst. There's absolutely no reaction to those sounds at all.
Copy that. That's pretty definitive. You want to come to the surface?
Okay, I'm coming up.
Nice, quick change.
I was chilly.
Okay, look, I like the theory that this story proposes, that killer whales are a natural predator for sharks. Ergo, the sounds that killer whales make might make sharks hightail it out of the area. That makes sense to me.
Well, it may make sense, but I didn't see any evidence of that at all. Those sharks didn't care what sounds we were playing.
So this one's busted?
It's gotta be.
All right, let's go get some fish and chips.
Sounds good.
The climax of Jaws is one of the most famous finales in film history.
Smile, you son of a...
But when the Mythbusters put it to the test...
3, 2, 1!
They got not a bomb, but a rocket.
Hey, Sharky's still alive. Totally busted.
Now, 10 years later, the Mythbusters are re-tackling this fan favorite to find out once and for all if a rocketing air tank could have killed Jaws.
Our shark is, of course, done, but that is only half of his raison d'etre.
Well, it's time for you to go for a swim, little buddy.
No, in order to fulfill his given purpose, he needs to be shot at. Nice! He's flying! Specifically, for the right ambiance, he needs to be shot at in